You don't wake up early because you lack discipline. You wake up late because your entire system is designed to keep you in bed. Your phone, your schedule, your sleep, all of it is working against you. The difference between people who wake up at 5 a.m. and people who wake up at noon isn't willpower. It's not genetics. It's not motivation. It's a system. And right now, your system is a trap. Every night, it's designed to keep you up. Every morning, it's designed to keep you down. And until you rebuild it from the ground up, you will lose this fight every single day for the rest of your life. And today, I'm going to give you the exact system that changed my entire life. So let's start with number one. Win the night. You think waking up early is about the morning. It's not. It's about what you did the night before. Every late night scroll, every just one more episode, every stupid decision after 10 p.m. is killing your next day before it even starts. You're losing the war at night and wondering why mornings feel impossible. The night is where discipline dies or where it's born. If you can't force yourself to sleep on time, you have zero right to expect your body to wake up on command. So pick a shutdown time and make it non-negotiable. Cut the dopamine completely 1 hour before bed. No screens, no feeds, no fake stimulation. Let your brain know the day is over. Because if you can't end the day with control, you can't start the morning with power. 2. Play smart with your alarm. Every morning you negotiate with the snooze button like it's a business deal. Just 5 more minutes, then 10, then 30. That's not rest. That's training yourself to quit. Put your alarm across the room. Force your body out of bed the second it rings. No thinking, no bargaining, because every second you hesitate, you're choosing weakness over control. And if you can't beat one alarm, you can't beat anything in your life. And here's the perfect solution. Stop using generic alarm tones. Your brain ignores them. Set a tone that instantly activates your mind. Something that reminds you why you need to wake up. A motivational line, a voice note, a reminder that brings back your purpose. And the moment that alarm rings, your brain receives the signal of why this morning matters. That's where transformation begins. 3. Attach a strong reason to wake up. You want to wake up early just because successful people do it. That reason won't pull you out of bed even once. First day the alarm rings, you hit snooze. Second day you feel guilty. Third day you quit. Because you don't have a strong reason that forces you out of the blanket. To wake up early, you need fear. Something that if you miss, your life stays stuck. A business that will die. A body that will decay. A skill that will never build. Weak reason equals weak willpower. Your reason must be stronger than your excuses, louder than your comfort, scarier than your alarm. Otherwise, 5 a.m. will always be someone else's reality, never yours. 4. Same wake-up time. You wake up at 5 a.m. one day, then 7, then 8 because you slept late. Your body doesn't know what's happening anymore, and that's why you feel destroyed every morning. Your body has a clock, it runs on rhythm, and you keep breaking it with excuses. Slept late doesn't matter. Tired doesn't matter. Weekend doesn't matter. Pick one time and lock it. Wake up at the same time every single day. Zero excuses, zero exceptions. Because discipline isn't when you feel good. Discipline is when every part of you wants to sleep and you still get up. Your body will fix itself. Your energy will come back, but only if you stop lying to yourself. 5. Never miss twice. You'll fail once, and that's fine. Missing once is normal. Missing twice is a pattern, and pattern becomes your identity. Because the second miss isn't about being tired. It's about giving yourself permission to quit. And once that happens, 2 days become a week becomes a month. You're back where you started. Here's the solution. If you miss once, wake up the next day no matter what. No excuses, no negotiations. Because discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about refusing to let one failure become your identity. Your future doesn't care why you missed. It only cares what you do next. The system is here. Every day you delay is a day someone else wins while you sleep. What you do tomorrow morning will define your next chapter. And if you're ready to take control of your morning, comment "I'm ready" and subscribe to the Inspire Path.